Incessant rainfall over the past 2 days has left parts of New Amsterdam flooded and served as a damper on Christmas and Boxing Day activities. More from Narima Ali.
It has been raining incessantly for a number of days now. In the town of New Amsterdam, streets like Pitt Street, which houses many business outlets, there is an ineffective drainage system, hence it retains excess rainfall and leads to flooding. Another problem that leads to flooding in the town is the improper disposal of solid waste materials by residents and visitors to the town. These waste materials litter the street corners and eventually find their way into drains, thus blocking the passage of excessive rainwater and results in flooding. It is well known where water is stagnant, it acts as a breeding ground for mosquitoes to lay their eggs and reproduce. So it is important for us, the residents of New Amsterdam, to prevent this from happening, because we know mosquitoes are vectors of diseases such as malaria and dengue. Despite recent drainage works done at Esplanade Park, places like the High Court and the State House lawns are still faced with flooding. Even though it is the responsibility of the mayor and town council to invest time and labor to remove the garbage that blocks the drains to allow the water to pass, residents are advised to remove containers that may collect rainwater so as to reduce the amount of mosquitoes that reproduce. Road users are urged to be careful during this rainy season. Accidents can occur, so drivers are urged to drive cautiously on the roadways. Cattle farmers are also urged to keep their animals in an enclosed pasture or in their pens. The incessant rain also dampened the spirit of citizens who were unable to engage in their traditional activities on Christmas Day and Boxing Day. Most were forced to remain indoors. Narima Ali, Channel 8 News.